Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to continue the vector differentiation. Now we are having a formula, you see it. Divergence of gradient f. Divergence of gradient f can be written as del square f. Del square f. Where del square is dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square. Del square is called Laplacian operator. Del square is called Laplacian operator. So let me do one question on this. See here, if r equals to xi plus sorry xi plus yj plus zk, then show that del square r power n equals to n into, we already done few steps in the last questions. Vector r is xi plus yj plus zk, whereas r square is the magnitude square, that is x square plus y square plus z square. Now we have differentiated this with respect to x. We got this dou x by dou r by dou x is x by r. We already done these steps in the previous class. Y by r and dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Now till now we have done a few questions up to here, the same procedure. Now we have to start this del square, del square, del square r power n equals to, what is del square? Just now we have seen dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square into r power n. See, let me do one thing. Let me take sigma dou square by dou x square r power n. Let me do one thing. Sigma dou by dou x of r power n. We can write like this. Now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. We have to differentiate this with respect to x. So you write this as it is, sigma dou by dou x as it is. Now d by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. But we are differentiating with respect to x. Here we are having r, so we have to write dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x. Now n is constant, take this outside, n into sigma dou by dou x of r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x. Now what is the value of dou r by dou x? We are having this x by r, so let me substitute this x by r equals to n sigma dou by dou x into r power n minus 1. Dou by r by dou x, we are having x by r. If you bring this r in the numerator, this is power plus 1. If you bring this in the numerator, it will be minus 1. So minus 1 will be minus 2, minus 2. So this will be like this, n into sigma dou by dou x of r power n minus 2 into x, r power n minus 2 into x. Again, let me differentiate. We are multiplying now. We have to use uv. We have to use uv. So n into sigma. Now let me differentiate this. U d by dx of u. U is r power n minus 2. U is r power n minus 2. D by dx of v. D by dx of x is 1 plus v means x. D by dx of u. Again x power n. First we have to differentiate like from using formula x power n. D by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. But we have to differentiate with respect to x now, so we write dou r by dou x. Now let me write in place of dou r by dou x, x by r, x by r. So you see here, n into sigma, this is r power n minus 2 plus x into n minus 2 into r power n minus 3, r power n minus 3 into, this is x by r, x by r, sorry, x by r. Now see here, if you bring r power 1 in the numerator, minus 1, so minus 3 minus 1 will be minus 4, and x into x will be x square. So n into sigma r power n minus 2 plus n minus 2, x into x is x square. Next, r power n minus 3 minus 1 become minus 4. Now let me expand this sigma. If we expand this sigma, we'll get 3 terms. If we expand this sigma, we get the 3 terms. See, you write this n as it is. Now the first term will be same this one. So you write r power n minus 2 plus n minus 2 x square r power n minus 4 plus, same like this, Now expanding, now for x, now we have to expand for y. So for y, this will be r power n minus 2 plus n minus 2 into, in place of x square, we have to write y square r power n minus 4. Similarly, same for next x, y. Now for z, r power n minus 2 plus n minus 2 into z square r power n minus 4. Now let me solve this one, equals to n into, see here, these are the three terms, 1 2 3. So this will become 3 into r power n minus 2 plus, let me take common from this 3. What we can take common, n minus 2 into r power n minus 4. If you take common, it is left here x square, plus here you left with y square, plus here you left with z square. So what is the value of x square plus y square plus z square? We are having this r square. So let me write here, equals to n into 3 into r power n minus 2. Let me write on the top of the board. So in place of this, let me write x square. See here, n into 3 into r power n minus 2 plus n minus 2 r power n minus 4 into, this is r square. So if you add the powers, these bases are same, n minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2. So n into 3 into r power n minus 2 plus n minus 2 r power, you add the powers, minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2, n minus 2. Now let me take common r power n minus 2 from here. So n into r power n minus 2, if you take common from this 2, what is left here? It is left is 3 here. And what is left here? N minus 2. Now 3 minus 2 will be 1. We can write like this, n into n plus 1 into r power n minus 2. Now see the next question on the board. We have to prove del square f of r equals to f double dash r 2 by r f dash r. So let me start in the same way. Let me take vector r equals to xi plus yj plus zk. And we know what is r square, x square plus y square plus z square. And we also written this dou r by dou x equals to x by r, and dou r by dou y equals to y by r, and dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Now let me take this f del square f of r equals to del square. We know what is del square, dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square into f of r. Let me take sigma, sigma dou square by dou x square. When we take sigma, we take only one term. After solving, then we expand for three terms. F of r. See here, this dou square can be written as sigma. This is square, now we can write like this, dou by dou x of dou by dou x of f of r. This can be written as dou by dou x, dou by dou x. Now we have, let me solve this one. See here, we write the matrix, sorry, we write sigma dou by dou x as it is. Now d by dx of f of x will become f dash x. Whenever we differentiate f of x, it will become f dash x. So when we differentiate f of r, it will become f dash r. But we have differentiating with respect to x, so we have to write dou r by dou x. But we are having dou r by dou x as x by r. So in place of this, let me write x by r. Sigma dou by dou x into f dash r, f dash r into this dou r by dou x. We know this is x by r. Dou r by dou x is x by r. So again, you see, again we have to differentiate with respect to x. We consider this as uv. We know what is the formula of uv, u d by dx of v plus v d by dx of u. Let me use the formula u d by dx of v means d by dx of x by r, u d by dx of v plus v means x by r, d by dx of u, d by dx of f dash r. Now let me solve this one. Now see again, when we are differentiating this, this is x by r means this is like d by dx of u by v, d by dx of u by v. So what we are having formula, d by dx of u by v is v d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v by v square. This is the formula. V d by dx of u minus u d by dx of v by v square. So let me use the formula. You see here, f dash r as it is. Now, how to start v? V means r, d by dx of x. D by dx of x is 1 minus x u. U means x. When we differentiate r, we have to write dou r by dou x divided by v square means r square. V square means r square. Plus you see here x by r as it is. F dash, when we differentiate, it will become double dash. When we differentiate f dash, it will become f double dash. So f double dash r into, but we are differentiating with respect to x, so we have to write dou r by dou x. So in place of dou r by dou x, we can write x by r. So let me continue this one. See here, I'm writing f dash r. This r I am writing by like this, by r square. Now this we have to substitute in place of this x by r. R minus x into, this can be substituted as x by r, okay, plus x by r, f double dash r into divided by dou x is again x by r. Now you see here, if you take LCM, r into r will become r square. You watch carefully, f dash r by, if you take this LCM, r into r will become r square minus x square. This r bring here, r into r square will become r cube, plus x into x square by r into r square, f double dash r. Now let me change this one. If we change this one, we have to write three terms. No, expand, sorry, I forget to write the expansion. See here, watch carefully. We left this is sigma of, okay, this is sigma of sigma of. Now let me expand this one. If we expand, we'll get three terms exact like this. One, first in place of x we write x, then in place of x we write y, then z. So first we write the term first, f dash r by r cube into r square minus x square plus x square by r square, f double dash r. Similarly the same in terms with respect to y. Now in place of x you write y, f dash r by r cube into r square minus, in place of x y square, plus in place of x y square by r square, f double dash r. Now the same in term with z. So this will become f dash r by r cube into r square minus, now y z, plus z square by r square, f double dash r. Let me take common from this 3. We can take common f dash r by r cube. If we take common, what is left here? R square minus x square, plus here r square minus y square plus r square minus z square. We have taken common from this 3. In the same way, let me take f double dash r by r square common. F double dash r by r square, if you take common, here you left with x square y square z square, so we can write x square plus y square plus z square. Now two more steps. Now here also you see here, r square plus r square plus r square is 3r square, f dash r by r cube into r square plus r. Now you see here, r square plus r square plus r square is 3r square. If you take minus common, this will become x square plus y square plus z square. If you take minus common, this will become x square plus y square plus z square. That is minus r square. X square plus y square plus z square is r square. So 3r square minus 2r square will be 2r square. Plus here also you see, f double dash r by r square into x square plus y square plus z square is r square. See, this r square get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So this is the answer, 2f dash r divided by r, 2f dash r divided by r plus f double dash.